Black Friday is live on Amazon, and the deals are rolling in fast. The problem is that most of the discounts look good at first glance, but don't really offer much value. So we did the digging for you and picked the EDC gear that is actually worth grabbing. These are real price drops with solid savings on well-known brands. From everyday carry tools to outdoor and survival essentials. Stay with us till the end because stock is limited and the best deals never last long. You'll find all product links in the description.
In everyday life, it's important to have tools that help you tackle tasks efficiently without the bulk. The Gerber Gear Armbar Pocket Knife is designed for versatility and minimalism. Whether you're in the office, on the trails, or at home, this ultra-compact tool ensures you're always prepared. Available in 2 variations, Armbar Slim Drive and Armbar Slim Cut, it features a 2-inch extension bit driver or a 2.5-inch plain edge blade, accessible with one hand. Both models also include easy-to-use scissors, a bottle opener, and large tool tabs for quick access. With its sleek design and essential features, the Armbar Pocket Knife offers real utility, perfect for any task. It's a compact tool that combines practicality with convenience, making it ideal for everyday carry. Keeping your tools and essentials organized is essential for productivity and efficiency. Introducing the Ledr Taming tool Chaos, a handcrafted full-grain leather tool roll that blends rugged durability with refined elegance. Inspired by professional chefs and craftsmen, this versatile roll is designed to hold everything from pens and mascara to cables and small tools. Compact enough to fit in a coat pocket or bag, it features 5 narrow sleeves and 2 wider ones secured by an internal elastic web and heavy-duty nylon thread. Whether on a workbench, conference table, or out on the town, this thoughtfully crafted tool roll keeps your essentials neatly organized and ready to go anywhere. Capturing the perfect moment requires the right lighting, no matter where you are. Meet the LumeCube Life Light, a smart, Bluetooth-controlled, pocket-sized light designed to elevate your photos and videos. Compatible with iPhone, Android, DSLR, GoPro, or any camera you have on hand, it ensures you always have the perfect lighting for your content. Whether you're a globetrotter, a vlogger, or just out with friends, the Life Light delivers adjustable lighting in any setting. Its portable design makes it easy to carry anywhere, providing versatile lighting to enhance your creativity and share special moments. The LumeCube. Life Light is the ideal companion for anyone looking to capture their world in the best light. Keeping your essentials organized and accessible is key to staying productive and clutter-free. Introducing the One Box Storage Box, a versatile organizer crafted from natural wood that combines functionality with elegance. This modular design features ample storage for board games, stationery, and everyday carry items. Equipped with a magnetic closure, the One Box doubles as a recording whiteboard, pen holder, storage card holder, and mobile phone stand. Its larger size and flexible compartments accommodate diverse usage scenarios, ensuring it adapts seamlessly to your needs. Perfect for work, play, or creativity, the One Box offers thoughtful organization in a sleek, minimalist design that elevates any workspace. With so many charging cables around, keeping them organized and accessible can be a hassle, especially when you need them the most. Introducing the NiftyX Powerbank, a revolutionary charging bracelet that combines convenience with functionality. Made from genuine leather and equipped with a premium stainless steel buckle, this innovative bracelet features an emergency power bank. It's available in both Android and iPhone versions and is handcrafted with authentic craftsmanship. The NiftyX Powerbank allows you to charge your phone anytime, anywhere, even without the need for additional cables. It eliminates the frustration of tangled cords while providing a quick power boost. Wear it on your wrist or attach it to your bag. It's a life-saving accessory for both you and your friends. Carrying water should be simple, efficient, and adaptable to your active lifestyle. The minimal water bottle is a versatile solution for hydration and survival. Crafted from high-grade silicone, it is designed to roll up, saving space and fitting seamlessly into any bag. The MWB is not just a bottle, but a survival tool, complete with a rugged paracord and a fire starter for emergencies. Its durable, flexible body ensures it can bend and fit into tight spaces while maintaining its integrity. Ideal for travelers and outdoor enthusiasts, the MWB makes packing easier and more practical. It offers hydration and essential survival features in one compact design, perfect for minimalists who appreciate thoughtful, functional design. Everyday carry knives are essential for quick access and versatility, but they often lack portability and convenience. Introducing the EDCest EDC knife, the ultimate tool for those who value portability and function. Designed to be worn on a watch strap, this knife features a main edge with 15 DPS and a scraper with 30 DPS, ideal for cutting, opening packages, scraping, and more. Made with SLS 3D printing, it's both flexible and sturdy, offering fidgety operation with audible and tactile feedback. Its minimal and low-profile design ensures it's easy to install and stays securely in place while gliding effortlessly for repositioning. With an Apple leather link strap for concealed carry, this knife offers the perfect blend of accessibility and portability for your daily needs. Capturing life's perfect moments with ease and precision has never been more essential for content creators and everyday users. Introducing the Domono Smart Camera, a revolutionary wearable camera and smartphone case combo. This innovative device offers 4K HD video and 13 MP photos, perfect for high-definition content creation. Equipped with a detachable camera, a 180-degree hinge, and a scratch-resistant Gorilla Glass lens, it ensures durability and flexibility for any shot. With voice command AI and waterproof capabilities, it adapts to any environment, whether in the rain or by the pool. Easily sync it with Wi-Fi or Bluetooth for seamless streaming to your social media platforms. Lightweight and versatile, the Domono Smart Camera is your ultimate companion to effortlessly capture and share life's most important moments. Sometimes, a small and convenient tool can make all the difference when it comes to tackling quick DIY tasks. Meet the Titaner Foldable Mini Screwdriver, a versatile, precise, and durable tool designed for everyday use. This ultralight, multifunctional screwdriver is perfect for small, labor-saving tasks, whether at home or on the go. With replaceable bits that accept any 1/4 inch bits, it ensures you're ready for a variety of projects. The foldable design makes it compact and easy to carry, while the rotating head offers a fidgety function that provides relaxation and focus, ideal for stress relief. As a mini, portable tool that doubles as a fidget toy, this screwdriver is the perfect companion for both work and relaxation. A reliable, compact toolkit is essential for handling everyday tasks with ease and efficiency. The BiTool 2.0 Lite redefines everyday carry with its innovative, all-in-one design. This mini, durable, and smart magnetic toolkit combines a ratchet driver, LED flashlight, and embedded magnets for maximum versatility. The magnetic head and bottom allow effortless bit storage and hands-free use, while the 2-level brightness LED flashlight adds functionality in dim settings. Its compact and lightweight design ensures easy portability, making it perfect for home, work, or travel. With unmatched convenience and enhanced features, the BiTool 2.0 Lite is the ultimate universal multi-tool for lighter, faster, and smarter daily solutions. In a world where hygiene is a priority, having a reliable sterilization solution is more important than ever. Introducing the Euster UV Sterilizer Lite, a portable mini UV cleanser designed to keep your belongings germ-free anywhere you go. Equipped with 16 powerful UVC and UVA lights, this deep cleaning wand effectively sterilizes surfaces like computers, cups, face masks, sofas, and more. Compact and versatile, it can be handheld, stood upright, or hung for effortless cleaning. The Auto Sterilize mode ensures convenience, while its smart safety feature automatically turns off the lights when flipped to protect your eyes. Perfect for travel, home, or hotels, the Euster UV Sterilizer Lite ensures cleanliness and peace of mind, anytime, anywhere. Ensuring clean, germ-free water and a hygienic hand-washing experience is essential in every household. The AutoWater Pro touchless water filtration system transforms any faucet into a smart, touchless device for safer and more convenient water use. Its advanced activated carbon fiber composite filter removes 100% of contaminants at the molecular level, delivering pure, potable water every time. Available in setups for both kitchen and bathroom, it offers universal compatibility with 6 connectors and an easy click-in installation. The touchless operation minimizes contamination risks while promoting hygiene. Simplify your life with hands-free functionality, enhanced water purification, and a smarter way to stay healthy, making every drop count. Lighting tasks should be safe, versatile, and convenient, but traditional lighters often fall short of these expectations. Introducing the Dissim Inverted Lighter, the world's first lighter designed for both upright and inverted use. Featuring a patent-pending circle grip, it offers exceptional ergonomics and control in any orientation. Its angled flame port ensures precise flame direction, reducing the risk of burns, while the low-temperature candle flame provides added safety. Refillable with a durable butane tank, it's an eco-friendly alternative to disposable lighters. A flame adjustment wheel allows for easy customization of flame height, making it ideal for various needs. Built with attention to detail and backed by a lifetime warranty, this innovative lighter redefines convenience and usability. Maintaining oral hygiene while traveling can be challenging without a compact and reliable solution. Meet the Wonderbrush toothbrush, the ultimate travel companion, designed for convenience, portability, and sustainability. This modular toothbrush allows you to fill its handle with any toothpaste of your choice, ensuring you're always ready to brush, whether on a plane, hiking trail, or at a restaurant. Lightweight and pocket-friendly, it's perfect for overnight stays and adventures. The twisted dispense mechanism delivers just the right amount of toothpaste onto the bristles, while the cap secures the toothpaste inside. With airflow holes for quick drying, the Wonderbrush ensures freshness wherever you go, redefining on-the-go oral care while reducing reliance on disposable toothbrushes. Capturing stunning time lapses should be simple, portable, and accessible to everyone, no matter their skill level or equipment. Introducing the Overlab Hobie tool, a universal and adjustable solution for creating breathtaking time-lapse videos with any smartphone. This portable device is designed for ease of use, featuring a built-in kitchen timer as its base, eliminating the need for batteries or recharging. Hobie allows users to choose between fixed or 360-degree moving perspectives, empowering creativity with minimal setup. Compact enough for daily carry, it avoids the need for bulky tripods while delivering professional results. Sustainable and thoughtfully designed, its durable components ensure long-lasting use, giving a new life to a classic kitchen tool in a modern, innovative way. In today's fast-paced world, having an essential tool that combines practicality and innovation is indispensable. Meet the Ronin Energetic Spectra C, an all-in-one EDC solution featuring a powerful flashlight and a modular wallet system. The rechargeable pocket light delivers up to 280 lumens and is equipped with a 275 nanometer UVC array for advanced functionality. Compact yet versatile, the modular wallet securely holds your cards and cash, ensuring convenience on the go. This innovative design blends cutting-edge technology with everyday practicality, making it the ultimate tool to tackle modern challenges effortlessly while staying organized and prepared. Everyday tasks and unexpected challenges demand a compact, versatile, and reliable tool that's always within reach. Introducing the Covert Bat Tri-Tool, a multifaceted, pocket-sized powerhouse designed for everyday carry. Measuring just 2 inches per side, this durable tool is streamlined for functionality without moving parts, ensuring safety and simplicity. Whether you need to open, tighten, pierce, pop, scrape, signal, slice, turn, or hang, the Tri-Tool has you covered. Its sleek, highly efficient design makes it the ideal companion for travel, daily tasks, or emergencies. Compact yet immensely capable, the Tri-Tool is a testament to doing more with less, an essential addition to your EDC gear that's as practical as it is stylish. Having a compact, versatile tool for everyday tasks and emergencies is essential for anyone on the go. The Quick Draw Multitool is a modern, fidget-friendly 5-in-1 multi-tool designed for cutting, prying, and popping bottles with ease. Crafted from durable stone-washed AUS8, a Japanese steel, it features a G10 machined micro-scale grip for superior handling. This multi-tool excels in slicing through paracord, opening bottles effortlessly, and even functioning as a screwdriver or pry tool. Its striker design adds an extra layer of functionality, making it a reliable companion for daily use. Compact and easy to carry, the Quick Draw ensures you're always prepared while exuding a sleek, rugged aesthetic. Compact, efficient, and user-friendly solutions for on-the-go bike repairs are essential for every cyclist. Introducing the Day-Saver Incredible Pump, a game-changing tool designed for MTB and gravel riders. This pump combines superior usability, innovative design, and unmatched performance. Featuring an integrated handle and optional pump hose, it ensures smooth operation without pinching fingers or unscrewing valve cores. With a choice of 40 CCM or 80 CCM configurations, it delivers optimal air volume for quick inflation. The pump's unique ability to house one or two incredible tools inside adds unparalleled convenience, keeping all essentials at your fingertips. Compact, durable, and thoughtfully engineered, this is where functionality, usability, and design unite to elevate your cycling experience. Carrying your essential gadgets and belongings in an organized, stylish, and comfortable way is a challenge for the modern individual. Meet the Bagismo Wearing Bag, a revolutionary EDC solution designed for men, merging advanced functionality with contemporary urban fashion. Its slim and versatile design ensures easy access to essentials like tablets, smartphones, keys, wallets, power sticks, and more, with compartments optimized for size and function. Hidden passages between compartments allow seamless cable management, enabling charging or headphone use without tangles. Ergonomically crafted to stay slim and balanced, even when full, the bag remains secure and comfortable on one shoulder. Perfect for any attire such as shirts, suits, or jackets. Bagismo is your ultimate companion for stylish, hands-free convenience.
There you have it. 20 best Amazon Black Friday EDC gear deals for 2025. These Black Friday deals on everyday carry essentials and EDC items won't last long during this Black Friday sale. From EDC flashlights to EDC knife deals, these Amazon EDC deals represent serious savings on quality EDC gear. Which Amazon Black Friday deals are you grabbing first? Drop a comment below. All product links with current pricing are in the description. Click fast because Black Friday Amazon deals sell out quickly. If you want more honest reviews of everyday carry gear and the best budget EDC deals, hit subscribe so you never miss a deal. Stay prepared and save big.